Welcome to the Science Olympiad Challenge. Let's see if you've got what it takes.
So, are you ready to test out your science skills? Let's solve some puzzles.
All right, round one. We're diving into the amazing world of plants and animals. Okay, first question. Which of these plants gives us cooking oil? Think about it. Is it the coconut, the sugarcane, or the pea? Go on, take your best guess. And the answer is coconut. Coconut oil is a type of fat we use for cooking. Okay, next puzzle. Look at Group A and Group B. The difference is all about their diet. So Group A are meat eaters, or carnivores, and Group B, they're plant eaters, herbivores. A butterfly goes through 4 stages. We're missing stage 3. Any ideas? It's the pupa. That's the incredible stage where the big transformation happens. So cool. You crushed round 1. Now for round 2, puzzles all about our planet. Okay, a water puzzle. You see this happen all the time. Which picture shows evaporation? So is it the steaming kettle or the melting ice cube? Which one's evaporation? Yep, the kettle. Evaporation is just a liquid turning into a gas, like water vapor. Awesome job. Time for the final round, Healthy Habits Checkup. Let's go. Okay, let's talk about our bodies. What bones act like a shield for your heart and lungs? That's right, your ribs. They're like a protective cage, keeping your organs super safe. All right, time for a safety check. Which picture shows a big no-no? This one. Running after a moving bus is so dangerous. Never, ever do it. And remember, the safest way to cross the road? Always at a zebra crossing. You're doing great. Ready for the final challenge? This is your science superpower test. Look closely at this shape. Which piece will make it perfectly symmetrical? It's this one, a perfect mirror image. See? Your power of observation is the key. Great job! You just proved that science is all about being curious and observing things. You passed the challenge, Science Olympian. Now, what amazing thing will you discover next?